Governor Gavin Newsom says the state of California will no longer do business with Walgreens. Good evening. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Marcella Lee.
I'm Jesse Pagan. The governor made the announcement in a tweet earlier today after Walgreens says it would keep abortion pills out of certain stores. CBS 8's Richard Allen has more on what steps Newsom is taking and how Walgreens is responding.
And Walgreens' decision not to distribute the abortion pill mifepristone in 20 Republican-led states comes in response to pressure from anti-abortion lawmakers and lawsuits.
We don't have a say in our own body.
San Diegan Burks Montoya supports Governor Newsom's social media statement that, quote, California won't be doing business with Walgreens or any company that cowers to the extremists and puts women's lives at risk.
It kind of makes sense, though. Like, why make business with people who don't want to actually help us out?
A spokesperson from the governor's office tells CBS 8 that California is reviewing all relationships between Walgreens and the state. We will not pursue business with companies that cave to right-wing bullies pushing their extremist agenda, or companies that put politics above the health of women and girls.
This is consistent with his record of being in support of women's reproductive rights and reproductive health.
Professor Ushma Upaviai is a public health scientist at UC San Francisco.
This decision by Walgreens is not based in science. It was based on politics.
She is particularly worried that people who need this essential care won't be able to access it.
And I'm concerned about people of low income, adolescents, and people of color who will be the most affected by this decision.
While Walgreens did not respond directly to Governor Newsom's tweet, it did say in a statement to CBS 8 that the chain does plan to dispense mifepristone in any jurisdiction where it's legally permissible to do so. Adding, quote, once we're certified by the FDA, we will dispense this medication consistent with federal and state laws. Providing legally approved medications to patients is what pharmacies do and is rooted in our commitment to the communities in which we operate.
On a broader scale,
on Sunday, the governor of Illinois, where Walgreens is headquartered, spoke out on Face the Nation.
These pharmacies need to protect women's health. That is the business that they should be in. And so in states where it's legal to have an abortion and legal to sell an abortion pill, they should still be doing it.
And this comes as a federal judge in Texas is expected to rule on a lawsuit that seeks to block the use of medication abortion nationwide. A decision on that is expected any day now.